Hi, grade 3, how do you do? Today you are going to learn a new lesson which is using the timetable 10 to solve any number times 9. Okay, for example, if I have 7 times 10, it's very simple. 7 times 10 equals to 70. What if I want 7 times 9? All of us know that 7 times 10 equals to 70. Here I want 7 times 9. I will just subtract 9 from 70. The number 9 is just before the number 10. So if I want 7 times 9, I will think, what is 7 times 10? 7 times 10 equals to 70. Then I will subtract 9 from 70. 70 minus 9 equals to 63. Then 7 times 9 equals to 63. Another one. I have 4 times 10 equals to 40. Okay, what is 4 times 9? What is 4 times 9? I will just subtract 4 from 40. 40 minus 4 equals to 36, okay? Now let's see the examples in our math book, page 161. The first one is 9 times 6. We have 10 boxes, and in each box we draw or write the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 sixes. And we want 9 times 6. Also, we want 9 times 6. Only 9. So we will delete one square to have 9 sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus itself 9 times means 6 times 9. 6 times 9, okay? We have 10 minus 6 equals to 60. We will just subtract 6 from 60. 60 minus 6 equals to 54. So 9 times 6 equals to 54. Again, we have 9 times 5. We will write in these squares 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Now we have 10 fives. We have 10 fives. 10 times 5, all of us know 10 times 5 equals to 50. What about 9 times 5? Subtract 5 from 50. 50 minus 5 equals to 45. Then we will cancel 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one, we have 9 times 7. We will write 7 in these squares. 7, 7, 7, 7. Now we have 7 plus itself 10 times, or 10 times 7. 10 times 7 equals to 70. What about 9 times 7? We'll just make 70 minus 9, which is equals to 63. We have 9 times 3. Write 3 in this square. 3, 3, 3, 3. Three times 10, or 10 times 3 equals to 30. What about 9 times 3? Just we make 30 minus 3, which is equals to 27. Okay, now let's see the next one, page 162. 9 times 2. Fill these squares with 2. 2, 2. 10 times 2, write 0, and we have 1 times 2 equals to 2. So 10 times 2 equals 20. We want 9 times 2. So we will make 20 minus 2, which is equals to 18. 9 times 8, we will fill in the squares with 8. 8, 8. Okay, 10 times 8, cover this 0 and write it. Cover this 0, 1 times 8 equals to 8. So 10 times 8 equals to 80. What about 9 times 8? Just to make 80 minus 8, which is equals to 72. Now we have 10 times 9. Fill in these squares with 9. 9. 10 times 9, right, 0, equal 90. Okay, what about 9 times 9? Just to make 90 minus 9, which is equal to 81. Let's see this challenge. Student told me that 9 times 8 equals to 70. They said they know that 10 times 8 equal to 80, so 9 times 8 equal to 70. Is it correct? Because they subtract a 10 from 80. Is it correct? Let's see. We have 10 times 8 equals to 80. Okay, what about 9 times 8? Which number that we will subtract from 80? Is it 10 or 8? We subtract 8. We subtract 8 from 80. So 80 minus 8 equals to 72. So 9 times 8 is equal to 72, not 70. So they are wrong. They are not correct. Okay. Page 163. This is the multi-problems of timetable 9. Let's see the first one. 9 times 2 equals to 18. 9 times 0, 0. 3 times 9, it's the same 9 times 3, so it's equal to 27. 9 times 7, 63. 1 times 9, or 9 times 1, equal 9. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 8, 72. 10 times 9 equals to 90. Let's see. 4 times 9 is repeated again, 36. 9 times 10 is equals to 90. These numbers are repeated again, okay? Okay. We have the first column, and in the second and the third, there are repeating multiple problems, but we will see them. 9 times 5 again, 45. 9 times 9, it's not repeated, 81. 9 times 0, 0. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 8, 72. 1 times 9, 9. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 7, 63. Okay? The rest of this problem is repeating, okay? Page 164. This is a multiple problems about times and plus, okay? Just a revision about times and plus. First one, 7 times 2, or 2 times 7 equals to 14. 6 times 0 equals to 0. 3 plus 9. Okay, don't get it wrong. 3 plus 9, not times 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 times 7, 7. 1 plus 9, 9 in your mind and 1 in your finger. After 9, 10. 2 times 4 equals to 8. This page is a quick revision for the timetables. Different timetables. Timetable 2, timetable 3. Okay? 9 times 6, 54. 3 plus 9 again equals to 12. 10 times 8, write 0 and cover 8. 1 times 8 equals to 8. 3 plus 9 has been repeated many times, equals to 12. 4 times 8, 32. 1 times 1 equals to 1. 1 times 1 equals to 1. 3 times 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 times 3 equals to 9. We have, you remember the way that you make timetable 3? Just to make 3 number in your hand and count in your figure, each figure 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 times 3 equals to 9. 6 times 1 equals to 6. 10 times 0, any number times 0 is 0. So 10 times 0 equals to 0. So plus 9. 9 in your mind and the 10 in your finger. After 9, 10, 11. 5 times 8. 5 times 8 equals to 40. 8 plus 9. 9 in your mind and the 8 on your finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 8 plus 9 equals to 17. 0 times 8 equals to 0. 2 times 5 equals to 10. Sorry. Again, 3 times 9 equals to 27. 4 times 3. How we can make timetable for? Just to make the number after the time sign on your finger, we will make 3. And this is the timetable of 4. 4 times. We will count on each finger 4 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 times 3 equals to 12. 6 plus 5. 5 on your hand and 6 on your finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 plus 5 equals to 11. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is the same. 9 times 2. So 9 plus 9 equals to 18. 9 times 9, 81. Look, 9 plus 9 equals to 18. What about 9 times 9? We just change the places of 1 and 8. 4 times 2 has been repeated, equals to 8. 6 plus 6, like 6 times 2, equals to 12. 3 plus 3 is the same as 3 times 2, equals to 6. 2 times 10, 20. 9 plus 10, 19. 2 times 10, 20 again. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 times 10. Write the 0 here and cover it. 5 times 1 equals to 5. 5 times 10 equals to 50. 9 times 6 has been repeated, 54. Again, 5 times 10, 50. 0 plus 10, any number plus 0 is itself. 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2, which is equals to 6. 9 plus 6, not times. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 times 10, 0. 9 times 1 equals 9. 1 plus 10, 11. 11. 2 times 3, we have written it 6. 0 plus 10, we have written it 10. 8 times 0, 0. 6 plus 5 again, 11. 3 plus 10 after 10, 11, 12, 13. 2 times 6, which is 2 plus itself, 6 times equals to 12. 7 plus 3 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 plus 4 equal 4. 6 times 0 equals 0. 0 plus 4 again equal 4. 8 times 8, 8 times 8 equals to 64. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 9 times 0 equals 0. 6 plus 2 after 6, 7, 8. 8. 1 times 2 equal 2. 4 plus 4 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 times 7. 6 times 7, 42. 10 plus 4, 14. 4 times 2 equals to 8. Okay, let's see page 166. We have a problems or a revision about the place values that we have studied. We have the place values that we have studied this year. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and 100,000. Okay, if the number is 100, so it has 3 digits only, or 3 place values only. If the number is 1,000, then it has 4 places. If the number is 10,000, so it has 5 places. And if the number is 100,000, then it we have sixth place. Let's see this problem. Jamila said, since 9 is the digit with its largest value, 9 is the largest digit, okay? Then the number 999 is larger than 1000. Do you agree or disagree? Let's see. Is 999 greater than 1000? Is that true? Let's see. Let's put the places values here and the place values here. Here we have ones, tens, hundred, thousand. What about here? Here we have ones, tens, hundreds only. We don't have thousand here. This is a 4-digit number and this is a 3-digit number. Who is greater? The 4-digit number. So we are disagreeing. Disagree. Because 1000 is greater than 999 because it's a 4-digit number and it's a 3-digit number. Now let's see these puzzles. The puzzle is who am I? Who am I? A certain number is talking about himself and we wanted to know the name of this number. Let's see puzzle number 1. The number has 5,000, 700, 6 tenths. What is the meaning of 6 tenths? It means 6 and 0. 60 tenths. The word tenths means 1 0. The word hundreds means 2 zeros. The word thousand means 3 zeros. So the puzzle we have 5 thousands, 700s, 6 tens, and 4 ones. 4 ones means 4. So we have 5,000 plus 700 plus 60 plus 4, which is equals to 5, 7, 6, 4. 5,764. This is our number, okay? 5. Let's write it in letters. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. How I write the number in letter? I will write each number with its place value. 5,000. 5,000. 700. Write it with letters. 700s and 64. Let's see puzzle number 2. The number has 12 hundreds. All of us know that hundreds means 2 zeros, i.e. 12, next to it 2 zeros. 15 tens plus 15, tens mean 1 0, and 6 ones plus 6. Now let's add this number. We have 1,200 plus 150 plus 6. Let's add these numbers to get our number. We have at the ones 0 plus 0 plus 6 equals to 6. Let's see at tens. At tens we have 0 plus 5 plus 0 equals to 5. At hundreds we have 2 plus 1 plus 0 equals to 3. At thousands we have 1 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 1. So our number is 1,000. Let's put the place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So our number is 1,356. Let's write it in letters. 1,356. 56. Let's see puzzle number 3. Write the following number in standard form. You remember the standard and the expanded form? This is the expanded form. The numbers with its 0 is the expanded form. The standard form is the number without any zeros, okay? But let's take care of the place value, okay? The number without any zeros is at ones, so these 2 at ones. So we will write the 2, the first digit on right. Let's see who is the number at tens, who has 1 0. This is the 40. The 40 is at tens, is leaving at tens because it has only one zero. So we have the 4 at tens. Okay, so we have written 2 and we have written 40. Let's look for the number at hundreds who has two zeros. 300. So we have at hundreds 3. Let's look at the number of thousands. The number of thousand has 3 zeros, which is 6,000. I'll write the number without zero. Now let's look at the number of 10,000. 10,000 means 4 zeros. Let's look. It's the number 50,000, but we will write only 5 without zeros. Puzzle number 4, write the following number in the expanded form. You remember your expanded form that I will write the numbers with its zero. We had a magical way to solve it, okay? We say 9, there is no number before 9, so 9 will remain 9 as the same, and we will make plus. 0 remains 0. We can write it or we can't write it, okay? It's the same. Plus 5. How many numbers before 5? 2. So we will write 2 zeros before 5. How many numbers before 5? 1, 2. Two numbers. So I replace the two numbers by 2 zeros and I write the 5. Okay. What about the 3? How many numbers before 3? 3 numbers. I will replace these 3 numbers by 3 zeros and I will write my 3. So this is the expanded form of the number 3509. Let's see puzzle number 5. Radwa ordered the following numbers from the smallest to the greatest. What did she do incorrectly? Let's see. We have these numbers and we want to order them in ascending orders or from the smallest to the greatest. First, let's make sure that all of these numbers have the same number of digits. 4 digits, 4 digits, 4. Okay. All this number has 4 digits. Now let's see the first number at left. This is 5 and this is 5 and this is 5 and this is 5. I still yet can't know or don't know what is the greatest number or the smallest number. Let's see the next digit. This is 0, 2, 1, 2. So the smallest number is 0. So the first number I will write is 5021. Okay, make a cross on it. I want the smallest number from these 3 numbers. I have 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2. So the smaller number will be 5102. And this number is that. Now I have 5201 and 5210. I have 520, 521. Who is smaller? The number that has 520. 5201, 5201. And the least number will be the remaining number, 5210. Let's see, is this problem or is this statement is correct? 13,470 is less than 13,407. Let's see. The first digit on right is 1 and here 1. Let's go to the next digit. Here 3 and here 3. Let's go to the third digit, 4 and 4. We still don't know. Let's go to the next digit. We have 7 and 0. Who is greater, 7 or 0? 7 is greater. So the number of 7 is greater. So 13,470 is greater than 13,407. So this statement is wrong. We have these 8 numbers and we want to arrange them from the least to the greatest. We have 50, 5, 500, 5,000, 1, 10,000, 500,000. It's very easy. The smallest number will be 1. We want to arrange from the least to the greatest or from the smallest to the greatest. So we have written 1. We have 50, 5, 500, 5,000. So the next number will be 5. And cancel this 5. 50, 500, 5,000, 10,000, 500,000. Who is greater? Or sorry, who is smaller? It's 500. 500. Now we have 5,000, 10,000, 500,000. No, sorry, this is 50 and this is 500. Okay. Who is smaller, 5,000 or 10? Sorry. Sorry. Or 10,000 or 500,000. Who is smaller? 5,000 is smaller. Who is smaller, 10,000 or 500,000? This is 5-digit number and this is 6-digit number. So this number will be the smaller, 10,000. And the last number will be 500,000. Our math session is ended today. Goodbye, grade 3, and wish you a happy day. See you in the next session. Goodbye.